Best brownies ever. Yes, today we will be making brownies. These brownies always turn out delicious. This easy one bowl recipe will make sure that you'll never buy a boxed brownie mix again. We also have videos related to travel, main course, easy snacks and mocktails. So please check them out and subscribe to our channel. Now before we start making them, preheat the oven to 175 degrees centigrade and grease and flour an 8-inch square pan. Now let's begin making our batter once our pan is ready. In a bowl, add half cup melted butter, stir in 1 cup of sugar, two eggs kept at room temperature, one teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix them. Now in this bowl, sieve through 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, half cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Stir them properly, but do not beat the batter because we are making brownies and not the cake. Mix the batter by cut and fold method like this. Once our batter is ready, spread this batter into the prepared dish. Now bake this in preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. In case you are using a glass dish like me for baking, then add 3 or 5 minutes more to the baking period and do not overcook. Now to make the frosting, combine 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir it continuously until smooth. This is how our frosting should look. And very importantly, frost the brownies while they are still warm. Enjoy your best fudgy brownies with ice cream, hot chocolate, whatever way you like. Thanks for watching.